Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make a dress for my daughter. What I did was to take a piece of fabric that I took from the bottom of a dress, and I'm just gonna be using a piece of elastic to go around the waist, and the bottom fabric I'm gonna be using it for the waistband and for the straps for the top of the dress. So I went ahead and I first separated the pieces that I needed, so a section for the top and a section for the bottom. The smaller section will obviously be used for the top, and then the bigger section will be used for the bottom section. Once you gather it together, you can see what it should be looking like. As for the piece of fabric that I said I wanted to use for the waistband and the straps for the top of the dress, I'm just gonna go on ahead and cut it into two equal pieces, one for the waistband so you can see what it's gonna look like once I put it all around, and the next section will be for the top. So I cut it into two equal pieces and I marked out 6 inches for the wideness at the top of the dress, and I went on ahead and I got the 2 little pieces which I'm going to be using for the side part. So I'm just going to fold them and put them into place like that. So once it's folded like this, you're going to see that you're going to have a nice little strap for the dress on both sides. So when you assemble your dress, you should have something like this. As for the waist of the dress, I had to get another piece of fabric because remember guys, you're going to be putting elastic through this, so you have to get 2 pieces. So this is what it would look like. So let's begin. For the top section and the bottom section, I stitched down the sides and I made sure to clean up the edges with some zigzag, as you guys can see. As for the front section, I made some little stitches on the ends. Now that's just to help me when I'm ready to pass the elastic through. As for the side pieces that I'm going to be using for the straps, these two I stitched them in a circle, so that's what they look like on the wrong side, and you guys can see what they look like once they're on the right side. So I'm just going to fold those and get the nice little straps. As for the next pink section, remember this is where the elastic is going to be, so I did it in a circle, and then this is what it's going to look like when the two are layered together. So I stitched them together and you guys can see the little opening will be there, so I'll just be able to slide my elastic through that little section there once I join the pieces. So I went on ahead and I stitched on the top sections, so the little straps, you guys can see how I stitched them on, and you're gonna do yours just the same. So you're just gonna be folding over the edge. I also cut the front section a little bit smaller, so the belly section will pull up because I don't want the back and the front of the dress to be the same. When I assembled the top and the bottom pieces together, this is what they look like. This is what it looks like on the right side, so you guys can see it's all gathered up. As for the top sections, I just went ahead and I folded the raw edge on the inside, and then I gave it a nice little smooth stitch going all the way around it, because I just folded it and gave it a nice stitch going all the way around to neaten up the straps. So this is what my dress ended up looking like. My daughter loves it. Let me know what you guys think about this. I do apologize for my voice. I am battling with the corona right now, so my voice is a little bit off. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and keep it locked on this channel, and check me out over on Being Me TV.